Saturday, 1st of October, Grise Fiord, Nunavut. Behind me is Grise Fiord, 144 inhabitants, according to the last count. Northernmost civilian community in all of North America. We're at 76.5 degrees north in terms of latitude. Temperature, daytime, single digit minus, nighttime, dual digit minus, and fascinating place. Incredible vistas, mountains around us, glaciers, lots of icebergs, lots of ice, and once in a while, the odd polar bear.
Okay, here we are, day 3 in Grise Fiord. Beautiful sunny day. Having a good day to do an installation of the solar system on the helmet office.
This is the solar system we came here for to install. It's a 10 kilowatt net metering system on the Grise Fiord hamlet office building facade. It's still morning. The sun has yet to come around to get full solar exposure, and it's getting cold. Temperature's dropping about minus 13 right now, going down to minus 16 in the afternoon. It is Tuesday, October, I believe the 4th. Our flight to Resolute yesterday did not go. We're stuck for another 2 days and presently scheduled for Wednesday. Snowstorm with strong winds in Resolute, while we here have beautiful sunshine and Freeze Up is in full